Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the comic book effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is what the effect looks like a comic book come to life. So all you have to do to create something like this for your personal consumption or your videos is to go to this website called Higgsfield AI. So on this website you can sign in and create an account, then go to apps, click on apps. You would see various viral effects you can use for your products or your videos or um, for your ads and all, and every other effect you want to use. So but to create the comic book effect, scroll to apps and click on comic book. You'll be brought to a page like this where you have to just upload your image. Click on this list, upload your image, then click on generate. You can create an image, which means that you just have a static image, or you can create a video, and this is an example of the video that was created using this particular effect. So once you're done, you can click, you would see your video come up here, and then you'll be able to download it. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.